Wondering how to be a billionaire? Well, you are in the right place. Today we will be sharing 8 things you need to do to become a billionaire. Hi, this is Elite Diva Lifestyle, where we will teach you how to be exceptional and excellent in life. Most of us aspire to be rich, but it is not ambitious if you also want to be a part of the Billionaires Club. As a diva, you might be wondering how to become a billionaire. It's good that you are here because we will be sharing that to you. After all, it's not about who you are, but because of what you will do. Let's start! Number 1. Playing in casinos. Turning a little into a lot would be the definite motto of people who aim of becoming a billionaire when visiting casinos. Who would not be mesmerized or even encouraged to play and win? It's a combination of fun and luck all in your hands. A lot of people have been encouraged to play now. Playing in casinos does not possess a guaranteed return, most especially if one aims to be a billionaire. Aside from the fact that winning depends on your risk-taking ability, most casinos do not have a billion money on them. Most of them only have $100 million ready for their winners. When you keep on winning on a specific game, most of their facilitators would ask you to play in another place to make sure that their reserve dimes will not diminish. So, is it worth trying? It can be if you aim to be a winning or even a millionaire, but not as a billionaire. Number 2. Taking chances on lottery. Who doesn't love a good story? Reading about lottery winners who used to struggle and then suddenly got lucky on winning a lottery by taking their chances and eventually using their winnings for good can be inspiring and heartwarming. Stories like these motivate us to do the same, to take risks and be creative with our number combinations. However, even though these stories are enticing, we cannot deny the fact that being rich, a billionaire at that, with taking chances on lottery is just impractical. You will need to take a lot of courage on taking multiple failures along the way. You need to spend much of your hard-earned money and see it slip through your fingers. There is a reason why people who are born rich do not engage with this activity. It is because there is no guaranteed win to this, just pure luck, and rich people do not rely on luck alone. According to some socioeconomic studies, higher participants in the lottery are lower-income households with less education exposure. This might account for the fact that participating in the lottery does not need much effort. So if you want to be a billionaire by taking your chances on the lottery, be ready for more challenges along the way. Number 3. Treasure hunting by the space. If there are hidden gems in the vastness of the sea, how much more are in space? Space exploration has a lot of things to offer for aspiring billionaires. However, it might be challenging. Potential pathways of generating billions from space exploration would include revolutionizing space travel and accessibility. There are other wealthy people who want to have access to space traveling for convenience and leisure purposes. Thus, if you will be one of those people to develop a reduced cost and increase accessibility of space travel, then it might lead the way to gain your billions. Another pathway would be enabling other space businesses. Through your invention, you will be able to build critical space infrastructure like refueling stations or debris removal services that could become valuable as the space industry grows. Lastly, by developing groundbreaking space resources, you can discover or harvest valuable resources like rare minerals, water on asteroids, or the moon, which can be a huge profit. This might all sound very enticing. But again, it comes with enormous challenges as legal ownership issues and ethical considerations that need careful navigation. Number 4. Treasure hunting by the sea. There's a reason why pirates existed a long time ago. It is because the sea is vast, and there is something on it that we might not be able to witness for ourselves until our last breath. However, sea explorations that aim to recover actual gold from shipwrecks are a thing, but rare in today's time. It is because of the fact that most shipwrecks aren't actually carrying gold or jewels. They are also often scattered and heavily damaged. Gold and other precious metals corrode and degrade in salt water, thus losing their value entirely. Lastly, ethical and territorial concerns surround the recovered treasures. So yes, you can be a billionaire by doing treasure hunting by the sea, but especially if you are the sole person to discover the hidden gem of the ocean, or if you gain a high recognition from the government by doing it. Unless these are the case, becoming a billionaire would be a long journey for you. Number 5. Professional sports. If you want to be a billionaire through a sport that you are passionate about, it can be done. People often develop deep emotional connections to specific individuals, teams, or sports, fostering a sense of community and belonging. It can also be a way for indulging oneself in keeping a tradition. This is the reason why the sport industry is still a thriving place for future billionaires. If you want to be a billionaire as an athlete, you need not just to be good in the sport that you choose. You need a sustained dominance. Reaching and maintaining your sport in the top for an extended period is crucial. It will allow you to earn high salaries, bonuses, and endorsement deals. Speaking of endorsement deals, it will give you a global appeal, especially if you are internationally recognized and you have a huge fan bases across the borders. You will have a great potential for lucrative deals and global market opportunities, making you a billionaire. Number 6. Land and mining. Land and mining industries are thriving for years. It is because of the fact that it can truly contribute to building wealth. These industries offer potential pathways for billionaires in the making by means of discovering or mining valuable deposits. The earth has still various undiscovered minerals that need to be dug up, thus offering a way for money to come through. Developing innovative mining technologies or offering mining services or equipment will also help you to gain as much in this industry. Most of the billionaires that came from land and mining industries are predominantly male, with a clear family background and networks. If you want to be one with them, you should have a genuine interest in the industries and their underlying complexity. Age doesn't matter here, but most investors believe and trust those who lead previously established businesses with navigating experience with the same or related industries. Lastly, you need to be in a resource-rich place such as Russia, Australia, South Africa, or Brazil. Number 7. Finance and investing. Finance and investing has been a known stable way of becoming a billionaire. This can be proven by the demographics of billionaires who are into finance and investing, where aging entrepreneurs of more than 40% dominate the field, while only 10% of those below 50 years old are with the same status. How do these men dominate the world by finance and investing? Well, they have different approaches that you can also study and try. First is through moderate risk approaches. If you want to thrive in finance and investing, start with long-term value investments or buying and holding undervalued companies with strong fundamentals for long-term growth. Another is by real estate investment. You can own and manage income-generating properties that can provide steady returns. However, these require significant capital, expertise, and ongoing management. Number 8. Cyber industry, virtual space. Cyber industry and virtual space is the present and future for gaining your billions. This is due to the emergence of technology where people of today are reliant. If you want to be under this niche for your billionaire status, you can start by creating and scaling a digital business. Whatever it is that you have in mind to incorporate technology to as you create your product or while you are monitoring it to have innovative solutions that would address market needs. You can also start a successful tech company by developing groundbreaking software, applications, games, or new platforms that solve real-world problems or improve existing processes. Cybersecurity is also a must today. Due to the reliance of people on technology, there are various cyber threats that disrupt the pace of people using it. Thus, if you can provide a solution to it, you can be an instant billionaire. Out of all the mentioned ways to be a billionaire, cyber industry and virtual space is the most possible way and one can try. Thank you for watching our video. If you want to see more videos like this, don't miss this opportunity to join our awesome community and comment down below what are the videos you want us to do. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on our amazing contents. Just hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon below to get notified whenever we upload a new video. This is the Elite Diva Lifestyle, signing off until next time. Learn excellence in all angle.